Watch how he complains when I turn it off. Come on, Onyx, talk. See, he talked. Talk. Esto más que nada para que Lani vea a Onyx un ratito. You see, he talks for the laser. He loves the laser. He's purring like crazy. Can you hear him? It's hilarious. I got him to run around the whole room, Morita, but he doesn't want to do it now. Bastard. Morita. Alright, my finger hurts.